On the evening of Wednesday, May 8th, ERCOT hit a new record for battery energy storage output. At their peak, batteries were outputting around 3.2 gigawatts, over a gigawatt more than the previous record. So, what actually happened? Let's take a look at the timeline of events. At midday on Tuesday the 7th, ERCOT issued a weather watch for the following day. This was due to unseasonably high temperatures and high levels of generator maintenance. Around 24 gigawatts of thermal resources were offline, which was about 10 gigawatts more than ERCOT would have expected for May. Prices for day-ahead energy hit $2,200 per megawatt hour, and ancillary service clearing prices largely followed suit. With wind generation resources producing between 5 and 7 gigawatts across the afternoon, net load peaked at 55.2 gigawatts as solar generation ramped offline. This was the highest net load experienced in ERCOT in the last 30 days by nearly 8 gigawatts. Real-time prices peaked just below the $5,000 per megawatt hour system-wide offer cap. At the same time, ERCOT manually deployed over 3 gigawatts of ancillary services to help mitigate the lack of capacity. We provisionally estimated daily battery revenues of just over $5,000 per megawatt for May 8th. This would make it the most lucrative day for battery energy storage in ERCOT in 8 months. However, we won't know precise earnings for another 60 days. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.